What's up, YouTube? I'm back. It is NQ Scalper Mom, Trader A, and I'm here with another recap. As many of you know, I have a very simplistic trading strategy. So let's just get right into the video for what I saw this morning. I wanted to make sure that I did not trade prior to the New York session. Since I'm only taking one trade, well, maybe two, but no more than two trades, I want to make sure my trade has the most momentum possible and I get the best setup possible according to one of my defined playbooks. So I did wait for the open, which is here, and we had some big drops and some impulse moves, but none of them, as you can see, they really didn't stop with the moving averages here. So I just waited and waited. So finally, around close to 9 o'clock, we had an impulse move back below the moving averages. They were all kind of bunched up here. We have the this purple line is the VWAP, my 9 EMA. I have the 100 moving average and the 21 simple moving average. So they were all kind of bunched up, but finally we got an impulse move down around 8:55, then a move back up, and it just kind of stopped here. So we did hold the moving averages and we got almost up to the VWAP. So I would say the VWAP is what stopped it. The VWAP acted as resistance up there. And so I would say that the price was anchored really in the 9, the 21, and the 100. So I would say my signal bar was here. My entry bar was here. So my entry was right here, one tick below the signal bar. I took two micro contracts per the guidance of my trading coach, and I took it for 1R here, and then I moved my stop to break even, and then I took the rest of the trade for 2R. So everything went perfectly as planned. And my trading coach did add another rule. So from now on, if I win my first trade, if it goes according to my plan and it's a win, then I will just not take another trade. I will just be one and done. So that's what happened for today. So I'll just go ahead, and I encourage you to do this as well. Just go ahead and annotate this picture so that you'll be able to attach it for your journal. So I would refer to this as a 9, 21, 100 bounce. And I don't know, I guess it didn't really lodge all the way within the VWAP. So I would just say that we had that bounce, but then I'll also say we had VWAP confluence. We definitely had VWAP confluence. I won't name it VWAP, but we definitely had VWAP confluence. So that is good. So anyway, that was the trade. Followed all the rules. So let's just go ahead and look at my Tradezella. That is my journaling software. Okay, first we'll go to the trade log. So I only had one trade. As you can see, it was a winner with my 2 micros. I'm going to click on that so that I can tag the trade, and tagging the trade is very important so that you can start to collect data on which trades you do best at. So for this one, I'll go ahead and tag it 1 minute gold line. That's what Bob Anderson calls his 9 EMA trade. And see. I'll just tag those there. I don't think I made any mistakes on this trade, so I don't have to put anything for mistakes. Now, I don't know. Maybe I'll do a new category of confluence. I'll see how that goes. You can just kind of play around with things. So I'm going to do a new category for confluence. And then I'll make VWAP. So I had confluence with the VWAP, so I'll just put that there. And I'll just try that out. So I have that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my playbook, add my playbooks. So these are the defined setups that I actually took. And that would be the 9 bounce, George's pullback, which is a 21. So those were the 2 playbooks that I took. All my criteria was met. I lodged into those moving averages, and I took the trade a tick below the signal bar on the entry bar. So I can mark that as reviewed. And since I can't tag my chart trade that I actually charted on right now, I'm going to go ahead and just tag this right here so I can show you guys how to do this in Tradezella itself from this picture. So I can tag this one as well, and I'll tag my other one later. I can't because I'm using my snipping tool to record the video, so I can't use it for this. So I'll just say this was a 921 bounce with VWAP confluence. Yeah, so that's what it was. And I love the way it shows this because it shows my 2 exits there, my 2 targets. Crap, y'all. Hold on just a second. Alright, so there we are. At least I do have a picture here. So with this feature, I can just press on this camera feature, and I can take the snapshot, copy the image, and I can attach it there, and then let's see, I can also go ahead and attach it to my daily journal while I'm at it. Alright, so I can go ahead and attach those there. Great. So that's just now, and then, alright, I'm just like that, I'm already into my daily journal. So now I can go ahead and answer these questions that I answer every day to see whether or not I followed my rules and my goals. Traded only 1 account, check. Only traded 2 micros, check. Followed my entry criteria for defined setup only, check. Followed my exit criteria, check. If first trade wins, stop with 1 trade for the day and done. So check. Only 2 trades allowed per day and done. Check. I didn't even get to 2 trades. Okay, so what I improved upon today. So today, I think I improved because I only traded 1 setup and ended in profit. Wait a minute. I only traded 1 setup and was finished with that win.
I'm just gonna come get you when they're here, okay?
Okay.
I moved Joseph's car seat, by the way.
Did you move it to the back seat?
No.
The 3rd row? Okay, fine. That's fine. Whatever. Okay, I only traded one setup and was finished with that win. This way I can protect the profits made in the first trade without further risk. All right, so it's about protecting the profits, small base hits in order to get payouts. All right, changes I need to make going forward or work on from today's session. See, what changes would I need to work on? Really none that I could see. I'll just put not applicable because actually I kind of had a perfect day. Easiest money trade of the day, definitely 921 moving at 921 100 bounce, and yeah, I forgot it was the 100 too. So I did great. Following the rules. I only took one trade. One trade and done for the day. Exclamation point. All right, so okay. So I guess that's pretty much all I have for today. It was a quickie, just one and done. Could you please wait? Now I'm taking you someplace. Now you need to wait.
No attitude.
All right, so I am done for the day. And I hope for more days like this. Obviously, I can't win every day, but the whole point is to follow the rules, not blow the accounts once I get back to having multiple accounts. If I could trade like this when I've had multiple accounts, then I probably would have been much more successful by now. But all we can do is live and learn and take what we learn into the future and hope for success in our future. But thank you for joining me for this recap. If you found value from this video, if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And also, if you use Apex, please consider supporting the channel and using my AAA discount code if you do decide to get an Apex evaluation. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you on the next video.